Welcome back, everyone, to the second episode of Agents and Coffee, your go-to podcast about AI agents on the ABCs of Gen AI YouTube channel.
Grab your favorite cup of coffee and settle in, because today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of AI agents.
That's right. We've got a lot of ground to cover, especially for all the developers and AI enthusiasts tuning in.
Absolutely. We've been sifting through articles and notes to get to the core of what makes these AI agents tick.
So let's get started. When we talk about AI agents, what exactly are we referring to?
Great question. At their core, AI agents are systems that can perceive their environment, make decisions, and perform actions to achieve specific goals. But today's AI agents are becoming more sophisticated, thanks to advancements in large language models, or LLMs.
Indeed, and what's particularly exciting is how these agents are evolving to function more like humans in certain aspects, specifically in planning, memory, and tool usage.
Exactly. Let's break that down. Think of the LLM as the brain of the agent, but just like a human brain, it needs other components to interact effectively with the world. These are planning, memory, and tool usage. Three important components.
So let's dive into the first component, planning. What makes planning so crucial for AI agents?
Planning allows AI agents to break down complex tasks into manageable steps. Instead of following a simple to-do list, they can strategize, adapt, and even learn from past experiences.
That's fascinating. It's like they're not just executing tasks, but understanding the tasks in a nuanced way.
Exactly. And one of the techniques that enable this is called chain of thought prompting, or CoT. By encouraging the AI to think step by step, we can see its reasoning process, much like showing its work in a math problem.
So CoT enhances the interpretability of the model's thinking process. But I've also heard about something called tree of thoughts. How does that differ from CoT?
Great point. While CoT provides a linear thought process, Tree of Thoughts expands on that by exploring multiple reasoning possibilities at each step. It creates a tree structure where the AI can consider various paths and decide which one is most promising.
So that sounds complex. How does the AI manage to explore different paths without getting lost?
It uses sophisticated algorithms like Monte Carlo tree search to evaluate each branch. This allows the AI to search through possible solutions efficiently, focusing on the paths that are more likely to lead to success.
So you mentioned Monte Carlo tree search when discussing the tree of thoughts. Can you elaborate on that?
Sure. Think of Monte Carlo tree search as a way for the AI to play out numerous possible scenarios in its mind before choosing the best path. It's similar to how a chess program considers many potential moves ahead of time to decide on the optimal one.
So that helps clarify it. So it's not just finding a solution, but optimizing to find the best solution.
Precisely. And this is where task decomposition comes into play. As developers, we can influence how the AI approaches a task, whether by providing specific prompts or by outlining the steps ourselves.
Can you give an example of how task decomposition might work in practice?
Sure, let's say we ask an AI agent to write a research summary. We might prompt it to first collect relevant articles, then extract key points, and finally compose the summary. By breaking down the task, we help the AI plan more effectively.
That makes sense, but planning isn't just about laying out steps, right? What happens when the AI makes mistakes or needs to adapt?
That's where reflection comes in. AI agents can evaluate their actions, learn from mistakes, and adjust their approach, much like how humans reflect on past experiences.
Interesting. So is the AI truly learning like humans do?
In a way, yes. While it's not self-aware, it uses feedback loops to optimize its performance. For instance, techniques like react and reflection enable the AI to dynamically adjust reasoning and actions based on real-time feedback.
So let's unpack react first. What does that entail?
React stands for reason and act. It integrates reasoning steps with actions, allowing the AI to interact with its environment dynamically. Instead of following a static prompt, the AI can adapt its reasoning based on new observations.
So it's like thinking on its feet.
Exactly. Then we have reflection, which provides the AI with self-reflection capabilities. It evaluates its actions, identifies inefficiencies or errors like getting stuck in a loop, and adjusts accordingly.
That's incredible. And this reflection isn't just about correcting mistakes, but also about optimizing future performance.
Right. By assigning important scores to different actions, the AI prioritizes significant decisions that warrant deeper consideration.
It's like how we might spend more time reflecting on major life choices than on everyday routines.
That's a great analogy.
So we've covered planning. Let's move on to the second component, memory. How do AI agents use memory, and why is it so important?
Memory allows AI agents to store and retrieve past information and experiences. Without memory, the AI would lack context and couldn't learn from previous interactions.
Similar to how humans rely on both short-term and long-term memory.
Exactly. In AI agents, the context window of an LLM acts like short-term memory. It's what the model can process at any given moment. But for long-term memory, agents use external storage.
So where is this long-term memory stored?
It's stored in what's called a memory stream. Think of it as a chronological record of the AI agent's experiences, like a detailed journal.
And each entry contains not just the information, but also metadata?
Yes, each memory object includes a description, a timestamp, and data on when it was last accessed. This enriches the context and aids in efficient retrieval.
So with so much information, how does the AI know which memories are relevant when tackling a new task?
Great question. The agent uses a scoring system based on recency, importance, and relevance.
So let's break that down. Recency is about how recent the memory is, right?
Correct. More recent memories are given higher priority. Importance assigns higher scores to significant events, and relevance assesses how pertinent a memory is to the current task.
So the AI can efficiently retrieve the most relevant information from its vast memory bank.
Exactly. It's like having a personalized search engine for its own experiences.
That's remarkable. It really mirrors how humans recall information.
It does, and when you combine this sophisticated memory system with planning, the AI agent becomes even more capable.
Which brings us to the final component, tool usage. This is where things get really exciting.
Absolutely. Tool usage empowers AI agents to interact with external resources, search engines, APIs, databases, to perform tasks. So again, the idea is to clean up
So instead of being limited to their internal knowledge, AI agents can reach out and access up-to-date information.
Precisely. This is crucial, especially since it's difficult to update the model's internal knowledge after training. By using tools, AI agents remain adaptable.
How do AI agents learn to use these tools?
There are a couple of approaches. One is the MRKL system, which stands for Modular Reasoning, Knowledge, and Language. It provides the AI with a set of expert modules, like calculators or weather APIs, that it can call upon as needed.
So the AI can delegate tasks to specialized modules, much like we might consult an expert.
Exactly. Another approach is tool-augmented language models, where the AI is fine-tuned to use external tools directly, especially APIs.
So can you give an example of this in action?
Sure. Take ChatGPT plugins or OpenAI's function calls. These allow the AI to perform specific functions like booking a reservation or fetching real-time data, all through API interactions.
That's incredibly powerful. The AI isn't just passively providing information, it's actively performing tasks.
Yes, and this opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. AI agents can become personal assistants, research aides, customer service reps, the list goes on.
So let's tie it all together with an example. Suppose we have an AI agent designed to assist with research. I ask it to find the latest news about, say, renewable energy and send me a summary.
Sure. First, the agent uses its planning capabilities to outline the tasks. Search for the latest news articles on renewable energy, and then summarize them.
Then it uses tool usage to perform a web search and gathers relevant articles.
Exactly. Next, it leverages its memory to store the articles and notes any important points.
And before summarizing, the agent might reflect on the information to ensure it's accurate and relevant.
Right. Finally, it compiles the summary and sends it to you. Throughout this process, the agent is planning, utilizing tools, reflecting, and using memory, demonstrating how all these components work together.
That's impressive. It showcases the potential of AI agents in real-world applications.
It does, and as developers and AI enthusiasts, understanding these components helps us build more advanced and capable agents.
So, where do you see AI agents making the biggest impact in the near future?
I believe industries like healthcare, education, and customer service will see significant benefits. AI agents can handle complex tasks, personalize interactions, and improve efficiency.
Agreed. And as AI agents become more integrated into our daily lives, it's important to consider the ethical implications as well.
Absolutely. Ensuring transparency, privacy, and fairness is crucial as we advance this technology.
Well, we're nearing the end of our episode. Any final thoughts?
Just that it's an exciting time to be involved in AI. The advancements in AI agents are opening doors we never thought possible.
Couldn't have said it better myself. We hope today's discussion has shed some light on the inner workings of AI agents and inspired our listeners to explore further.
So thanks for joining us on this deep dive. We'd love to hear your thoughts on how AI agents can solve real-world problems.
Feel free to share your ideas and questions in the comments below or reach out to us on social media.
And don't forget to subscribe to the ABCs of Gen AI YouTube channel for more engaging content.
Until next time, keep learning, keep innovating, and enjoy that coffee.